What I did here was I took this board, it's got one good straight edge on it, and I put it against the building on that side, and then I made two red marks, and those are parallel to the side of the building. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this board over there. Now that'll be good. Like I say, I got one good edge here. Now I got to mow this little patch here. Alright, I've got this opened up, and what you want to do is, I got a GB Instruments meter, put this on 1000 AC volts, and then check it. Okay, we got about 150, which is 120. You got to hook the two ground wires together. Use these lineman pliers to twist them together. And put on a yellow nut. Make sure it's secure. Okay, now I got to see if I got power over here. Take these off. A little bit of insulation. Okay, now I'm gonna check to see if I got power here. Turn on the meter on AC volts. See if you got power over here. Okay, it shows no power. Okay, now of these two wires coming in, I figured out that this one is the power circuit and this one does not have power right now. So I'm going to take this. It tells you on here how to strip the wire. According to this is 14 gauge. So you put your wire on the 14 gauge side. Okay. Right now I need another wire that goes from here into the shop. And the shop is down there. You can't see it right now. All right, well, I'm going to explain what's going on here. First of all, they have power coming in here. This is for the power circuit right here. So this power's coming in. And a long time ago, I had dug a trench for the conduit that came from the pole outside. And so now this is that power that's coming in. This is the power circuit. This one over here is the light circuit. Now this wire right here, this goes to the light that's overhead. You can't see it right now, but it is overhead right now. And then this wire carries power up to here, and this will be the light circuit. And this will eventually go through this gray wire that's up here, and it goes to the rest of the building. So here's the light circuit. Now, all you have to do is take these white wires, try to straighten out all the kinks in the wires, because these are old wires. Take your lineman pliers and press it like this to straighten them out, so that these wire nuts can go on. So you take all the white wires first of all. And separate the white and black wires. Take all the white wires, hold them together, make sure that the wire is stripped back, make sure that the plastic is stripped back at least 5/8 of an inch. And take all these white wires and twist them together. With these lineman pliers. I like these lineman pliers for this kind of work. But whichever kind of pliers you're comfortable with. Make sure that the ends are pointed. Make sure that you have all the white wires first. So I got all the white ones. And put a wire nut. These are wire nuts. I use red for sort of a medium mixture of wires, like 3, 4, 5 maybe. And then if there's more than 5 or 5, then I use a bigger wire nut. Okay, now we're going to get all the black ones together. Okay, I got all the black ones. So now twist them together. Get the ends even before you twist them. Okay, now twist them. If one or more of the wires is extra long, make sure you trim it first. Now these are called side cutters right here. And I use them to trim wire. Okay, so put a red one on there. Or yellow. Yellow will work also. Alright, now I'm going to get all the ground wires. The ground wires are bare copper. Put all them together. Twist them all together. wire, I mean a box cover one, and it goes on here. Okay, this looks like a big mess, but it's not. Okay. We got this wire right here, this white one. That's the power for the lights. So this gray wire right here and right here, that is for the lights also. So we're going to hook all the white ones together. Now, the rest of these are all for the power circuit. Now I have to cut a piece for the power circuit, 33 inches long. And you got to break these little ears off